Good day everyone. In this video tutorial we are going to see how to convert an attribute table to Excel using ArcGIS Pro. So you can see here this is a shapefile, and let us have a look at the attribute table of the shapefile. You can find some information, population, livestock, property, some information is being given state wise. So we are going to convert this attribute table to an Excel file. So let us see how to do that. So at top you can find view and select geoprocessing. In geoprocessing, type in Excel to table, table to Excel. So you can see the tool table to Excel converts a table to a Microsoft Excel file. So select this tool. Now we need to input the India population, this shapefile's attribute table, and we need to save the output location of this Excel file. So I'm saving it in the attribute table. So let me give a name for this as population and click save. Now hit the button run to begin the process. Now you can see here the conversion has been successfully done. Now let us go to the file manager. So I have saved it in attribute table. Inside that population, what I have saved, double click and open the file. Now you can see here the conversion has been successfully done. You can compare this. So like this you can convert from attribute table to Excel file easily using ArcGIS Pro. So if you have any other doubts on this, you can ask in the comment section. I'll be answering to your questions. Thanks for watching. Goodbye everyone.